Alright, this is Liberty stock number 48170, which is a 19.6 by 42 inch Tos Trencin, model SN50C gap bed lathe. It'll swing 27.5 inches in the gap. It has a 9 2-axis digital readout, inch metric threading, a 10 inch 3-jaw chuck, a 3-point steady rest, and a 2-point steady rest. Alright.
Yeah, so okay. Let's quickly go over it. Front end, obviously, looking at it. Some static checks, cross slide straight away. Looks pretty good over here. I didn't really wipe it off, but it looks pretty clear here. Looks all right. And obviously got the index. I don't have it loose right now. I should have loosened up. It's got a 6 position or 8 position indexer right here. Compound slide. Same thing. It's right at right angles right now, but hey, you can put that wherever you want, obviously. And we've got start stop over here, and tail stock just coming around. Just check a few things out real fast. This feels real nice. Backlash is good. I think it locks. Yeah, that works pretty good. So dial that back in. Let's take a look. Yeah. That looks good. And yeah, this has the rapid. Yeah, the waves are in pretty good shape here. Not bad at all. This is a pretty clean lathe. When we power it up, I can rapid this thing back over, and we'll take a look at the front end, which really matters. We got the slides, the hand wheel. Although for the most part, I don't think it's hot whenever. Yeah, we have to have the main motor on. But light works. We got work light here. Got a shield come down too, if you want to use that. We don't need it right now. We're not cutting. What do we got? 3-jaw chuck. A couple of tool holders up here by the control panel. This is the holding block. It looks like for a boring bar. Cut-off tool. That was mine. I put that in there to see how that works. T-keys up here. Pump on off. We're not connected right now. It's in back. We could take a walk around and look at it. And this is just an interlock for the door, which has a micro switch on it. And this is start stop. So high-low on the spindle. We'll go through some of the feed levers and the spindle levers when we come around here. We can show the back end. Voltage. Right here, disconnect. That's pretty straightforward. And the DRO cable's up on top, and that all works well. We'll take a look at that. And not much else back here other than the pump system. I don't have it connected right now, but starter comes in and out. We left the leveling pads up there. Those came with it, so it's all good. You got the voltage on there. I think it's high voltage on this one, Pete. So yeah, that's it. So that's it. Let's power it up anyhow. Get the motor turned on. And see some oil come up here right away. That fills up halfway instantly. So the pump works good. Spindle loop is good. And straight away we can go up to the DRO. Clear. I thought I had it clear a minute ago. I had all this figured out, and now I don't. But either way, we say, to get this thing going. There we go there. I knew a minute ago, now I don't know. But at any rate, that works pretty good. Even we're down to 5 places after the 0. It's not bad. The cross slide is right here. 5 places. It's nice resolution on there. That all works good. Oil's on, spindle's on. You can bring up the spindle. This is where you bring it up right here. And if you engage that just right, then you can use both of them here. But this is forward. I don't know where I'm at. Let me see here. Just gotta look at we're using the Z2, Z1 side of the chart. So we are right now, that was at 63. 63 with the bottom lever going. And for that matter, I'll leave it go nice and slow and just kind of switch over here. We'll go through some of the speeds and feeds. Put it right there so I can use this one. And I think this is forward reverse. I'm just going to blow through them and see. That doesn't change much. an 8-to-1 ratio on the feed. I know what that is. You can hear the difference. That's really moving fast. Just back to 1-to-1, really slow. And I think this brings in the cross screw. Let me see. Yeah, now we got the screw in. I don't know if that's reversed, same direction. And that brings the drive. So drive. Oh, I went too high. Let me see. There we go. Leave that in there, screw. A, B, C. You can't tell the difference on these range letters. Oh yeah, there it is. That's going a lot faster. A, B, C. Too high again. Watch that thing move. It's going up too high. That's that. I don't know which one was reverse. It might be this guy. Let me see. There's reverse. Right there. And then bringing in the screw. Oh, we already did that. That's right. So, that's that guy. Go through some spindle speeds. That's just the feed box. That all works good. I didn't really try the feed. Let's go a little bit faster. Let's go to high range, which is going to be 500, and see if we've still got that. And then we can try the feed here and see what we got here. I don't know if I got this right last time or not. You have to have the right rotation to get this going. Check this out before we started. Now, rotation was this guy. Let me change this around a little bit. Now, let's see if I got feed there. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it has something to do with the rotation. It's only going to work this way, top towards us, for the feed to work. So now we can engage both of these guys. As you can see. Stop. Feed in that way. It all works nice. I think we can override with the power motor even while it's engaged. We'll try it. Right. Come on, back in one more time. We're at 500 RPM, so it's a nice range to engage at. Feed. And crossfire. Let's go up to 125, 1000, which is these guys this way. We get the stop. There we go. It's just pretty nice. They work nice anyhow. Let's go low right away, which should be 125. Should be. Yeah, that looks about 125. The next one would be 1000 on the range here. Which would be 1400, which would be these two over, and high range 1400 here. Oh, get it? Yeah, there we go. The other side of that, the flip side, we'll do 180. There we go. 180. So yeah, the tri works nice, it shifts nice, the range shifter works. I didn't really try the E-stop on the saddle yet. We can try that, and that works too. Yeah. It's a good running machine.